Looking to keep your YouTube searches private? Jessica here to guide you through enabling and disabling YouTube's Incognito Mode. Whether you're avoiding search history, keeping your recommendations clean, or maintaining a little privacy, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, open your YouTube app and ensure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This opens your account menu where you'll see options like Watch History, Playlists, and more. Under your profile name, you'll find the Turn on Incognito Mode option. Tap on it and voila. You're now browsing in incognito mode. Anything you search or watch while in this mode won't be saved to your account or affect your recommendations. When you're done, it's super simple to turn incognito mode off. Head back to your profile icon, tap it, and select Turn off Incognito. This will return you to your regular YouTube account view. And that's it, you've mastered YouTube's incognito mode. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy tips, and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.